Welcome to our Trigno Link series. In this video, we will cover how you can connect your Moxy monitor using Trigno Link. This video will highlight the hardware and software requirements to use the Moxy monitor with the Trigno Link and Trigno Discover. For a more in-depth tutorial on how to use Trigno Link or Trigno Discover, please watch our Getting Started videos. The links for these videos can be found in the description below. This section will cover the hardware and software required for connecting your Moxy monitor to the Trigno Link. Ensure your Trigno base station or Trigno Lite is connected to your PC. Next, connect your Trigno Link to the PC with the supplied USB cable. Open Trigno Discover. Once open, pair an Avanti-style sensor to Discover and open the Trigno Link tab. You are now ready to pair your Moxy monitor. This section will cover how to connect your Moxy monitor to your Trigno Link. To power on your Moxy monitor, press and hold down the power button until its LED flashes red. To check the Moxy monitor's charge, quickly press the power button. The device's LED will flash green up to 5 times. Each green flash accounts for 25% of the battery charge. If the device is turned on, a 5th red flash will indicate that the power is on. To power the Moxy monitor off, press and hold the power button until the LED flashes blue. Once your Moxy monitor is powered on, navigate to the Trigno Link Scan Settings menu. Moxy monitors can communicate with the Trigno Link through either ANT Plus mode or Bluetooth mode. Select the communication mode and the device in the Trigno Link control utility, then scan for sensors. When pairing is complete, the Moxy monitor will appear within the Trigno Link control utility. You can rename the Moxy monitor by selecting here. This section will go over how to collect Moxy monitor data within Discover. To begin data collection, select Start Collection. Here, above your EMG data, you will find all the data coming in from your Trigno Link. During data collection, you can close the large number display to hide the data from your participant by selecting Close. You can open this again by selecting Open. You can also pop out the large number display to move on to another window. To get it back, select here. You can end the data collection session by selecting the Stop button. If you would like to learn about how you can review and export your data in Trigno Discover, please watch our Trigno Link Getting Started video. For additional information and assistance, please visit delsis.com/support. And be sure to connect with us on our socials.